Here, let me try this again. Somebody called me, so in the middle of making the last video. And, well, this is Lumpy's Diner. The owner died sometime last year. It was in August or something like that. It was right before the hamburger eating contest. So we must be having something in here. Check out this car. Beautiful machine. Got a Mustang with some, wow, where you go? Look at death symbolism. That's sure telling you something there. You act like an idiot with this car, you end up like them. You know what I'm saying? We got Corvette Spider Z06. Beautiful cars. LXR. Corvette LX3 with skulls on it, of course. How's it going? What's his name right there?
Blue.
What's his name? Blue. Blue. Oh.
Blue Beast.
Cool. My dog's uncle's name is Blue. He's the same color as well. Hey. Wow, that's a nice head. Hey, how's it going? He's checking out everybody else right now. All right, say hello, Blue. Cool. Fuel injection. Cadillac right there. Now that's a real Cadillac right there. That is a real Cadillac. Oh yeah, it's fantastic. Beautiful car. Chevy pickup, 63 Impala. We got a the hell with this one. Yeah, how's it going?
Alright, bro.
Alright.
Yeah.
Riviera. Pickups here. Chevy Nova.
What I did was
It's a good color on that Nova.
put the foam rings around the wheels.
327 here. Turbo Fire. 300 horsepower.
Yeah.
How's it going? Army green here. $64. This one's got a good color on it. All right. Last of the lowriders. Oh, look at this thing. Wow, look what we got here. Fanta orange. And orange and cream. Well, there you go. People don't know what they're doing sometimes. But in the midst of all this shine, glitz, and glamour, nobody gives a crap. I'm getting tired of holding this in my hand over here. Blood's pumping here. Been riding today. Let me get on to this area over here. think I have to go all the way around here. Look at that. Local car show.